Welcome to Many Millions, where we focus on the many reps and the million moments it takes to build a trading career.
Just wanted to send out a quick update here. A little bit about the indicator, but more just about how to read the market in general. So this is Thursday, October 2nd. Government shutdown actually happened late last night. So it's weird that we're at all-time highs. I'm going to, again, back to the basics, right? We look left. If I'm going on the 15-minute, I'll even zoom clear out here to the 4-hour. You can see our last all-time highs over here on 22nd, 23rd of September. We were at the 67.55 level. We now have come off of 67.82, looks like, where we tapped. So we're in no man's land. And this is more again, a direction on how to read the market. Don't just blindly trust an indicator, mine or anyone else's. I know I released a video recently about my indicator, the A+ setups here, but I kind of have alluded to this activity that can happen where we're coming off of all-time highs, and it's going to trigger buy alerts here simply because it's crossing over the 9 EMA. Now, this is not really a true resistance level, right? There's no significance to this level other than its all-time highs. Well, great, we can keep making all-time highs all day long. That doesn't necessarily mean it's a resistance level simply because it's all-time highs. It can keep climbing. I think there's a misconception around that with a lot of traders. So I don't consider this resistance level up here to really be a resistance level. Now, in this case, it was. You had a B set up here, indication from, or signal from my indicator right at opening. I'd never take that trade. You have no idea what's going to happen in the market right at opening. And you can see that it's pretty much just been coming off and respecting that 9 EMA all the way through. So now it's because it's getting into oversold territories all through my 4 stochastics, 3 out of 4 by the time this hit. The second this taps above the 9 EMA, you're going to get a B signal. That doesn't really mean take this trade, okay? You need to be able to step back from the indicator and read the market. We're off of all-time highs. Government's closed. There's going to be a lot going on that is going to make this a very erratic market. And you shouldn't just blindly trust a signal coming on a day like today. You need to read the market a little bit more deeply. So again, it's kind of respecting this 9 EMA all the way through, right? Taps a little bit above and immediately comes back down. Taps a little bit above, comes back down. It's just intercrossing over that 9 EMA. Now down here, we finally have a bullish divergence. But again, nothing indicates that this has got momentum to shift back and be a true reversal signal, even if we have a bullish divergence. It has respected the VWAP since open, so we're now, what, if we're over to here, by the time we hit divergence, we've been open for nearly an hour, and it has never gone above the VWAP. It's bounced off of it and rejected off of it, but nothing here would actually tell you that this A signal here, this brighter, bigger green triangle, is a true A+ setup. It's not, right? We're now, what, we're halfway, a little bit above halfway. By the time we hit this candle close here, we're at 66 on the 9 stochastic. We're a similar level on the 14 stochastic. This is just not really an A+ setup. So I wanted to do this short just to quickly call out, yes, the indicator works really well, but there in trending days, this strategy doesn't work well. And this is very much shaping out to be a trending day, trending to the short side. There will be a lot of people, and don't get me wrong, I know this is tempting, that will just say, well, great, if you can read the market to know that's a rejection, why don't you just take a short? That's not my setup. I take one setup and one setup only. I'm a specialist at this strategy and a single setup. That means I need a quad rotation with the bullish divergence that says this is ready to move back up. I need to have a support level to bounce off of. I don't have a support level over here. I can scroll way back. Yeah, this is somewhat of a significant zone, but not coming off of all-time highs, and not when the government shut down. I'm not going to get into the politics, but there are a lot of reasons that this should be continuing to fall all day. And it's more about reading the market than trusting any one condition, signal, or indicator. Just wanted to throw that out there today, but I'll keep looking for other trades and keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching.